Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor out here at the lake. Beautiful day today. Look at that. Oh, there's the old something up there. The white thing up in the tree. Huh. Damn, it looks like a pelican. Anyway, out here with the 60. The 60 does great, by the way. Pushes the boat right along real stable. It does need to go up a pitch. It's 11 by 11. It needs to go to 11 by 12. The T8 runs good. That's perfect for trolling. And so right now what we're going to do is we're going to hit the accessory switch on, then hit the power button on this, and this is going to start up. Then back here, you do get a 3-gallon tank, I believe. And under here is a release. You flick it, and you just go like this and drop it down. Bring that down. When it's cold, you pull the choke out. You put this in gear and give it like 5 pumps. Now that it's warm, I go right to here, leave the choke in, and you can actually just find that sweet spot right there. Right there somewhere. There. Starts right up. Bring that back, reverse. Goes really good. Put it forward. Then you want to straighten this wheel out. Like that. And I'll show you I can steer with that as a rudder. Beautiful day. And that's your friction for your throttle. Leave that now. Both of these motors are broke in now. And then see, I can steer without having a tie bar. And you can play with the angle of that kicker motor. See? And steer to the left. There you go. Now what you can do, this is the neutral. Just fire it up. Just put it in gear. Steer that. Put that back. Bring that there. Kill it. Hit that switch down. That you can do with the handle. Then you can bring it the rest of the way up. Tilt this up. And then we're done with that. So I'm going to take that out. And again, both motors are broke in. I set this up for you. Little Garmin striker. So then, boom. Give it a little throttle. Full tank of gas, tack works. Let's see on the speed. Speed's a little off. A lot of debris in the water too. So right there, 3/4 throttle. Maybe you can leave the prop where it's at. Yeah, it's good since the rev limiter trimmed up. So if you put some weight in here, so leave that prop where it's at. Could lower the transducer though a little bit. Yeah, that 60 does good. All right, 162 smoker grabbed Osprey. See stories on this box space, livewell works. So I would say leave the prop alone, drop the transducer. Alright, this is the Boat Doctor out. I'm going to turn it off. Boom.